Number 1. 1964 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $9,900. Located in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is an early production model from the first release period, often referred to as a 64.5 Mustang, making it especially desirable among collectors. It is powered by a reliable 6-cylinder 170 cubic inch engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering an authentic vintage driving experience. The car runs great and has been driven approximately 120,000 miles. Finished in a clean white exterior with a classic blue interior, it maintains its original charm. The owner is relocating and hopes to pass it on to a true Mustang enthusiast who will appreciate and preserve this iconic American classic. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price: $5,000. Located in Johnston, Rhode Island. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D is a classic American sports car with strong visual appeal and solid overall condition. The body remains in great shape and the interior is clean and well preserved, making it a great base for restoration or customization. It has 69,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a striking red interior, this Corvette stands out with timeless styling. Please note the vehicle does not currently run and will require mechanical work, so it must be towed. This is a great opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into classic Corvette ownership. Number 3. 1972 MG Midget Convertible. Price: $6,500. Located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This 1972 MG Midget Convertible is a lightweight British classic perfect for enjoyable summer drives. It features a manual transmission and has approximately 1,000 miles on the current setup. The car runs great and offers a fun and efficient driving experience, making it an excellent gas saver. Finished in green with a black interior, it presents a charming vintage look. The convertible top is in good condition, adding to its usability during warm weather. This vehicle is ideal for classic car lovers who want an affordable, stylish, and enjoyable roadster with simple mechanics and timeless appeal. Number 4. 1979 Chrysler Dodge Plymouth Mopar 300 Special Edition. Price: $2,850. Located in York, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Mopar 300 Special Edition is a rare classic with only a limited number produced, making it appealing to collectors. It is equipped with a Police Interceptor 360 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, delivering strong performance for its era. The car has 96,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a red interior, it reflects classic late 70s styling. This is a one-owner vehicle that has been well maintained and is reported to have no significant issues. It represents a unique opportunity to own a special edition Mopar at an affordable price point. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista. Price: $3,750. Located in Spotsylvania, Virginia. This 1983 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista blends utility and classic styling in a unique car-truck design. It is powered by a 3.8 V6 engine with an automatic transmission and runs and shifts well. The odometer shows 18,833 miles, but is believed to be 118,833 miles. The frame is solid and the body is mostly straight with minor rust on the hood. The interior is fair and will need some attention. It has received recent updates including a new battery, windshield, and front bumper fillers. This vehicle is a good project candidate with solid fundamentals for restoration or customization. Number 6. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. Price: $9,500. Located in Ebensburg, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible is a stylish luxury classic featuring a powerful Q-Code 428 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 72,000 miles, it remains in good driving condition and has been inspected until mid-2026. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it delivers a cohesive and elegant vintage look. The convertible design adds to its appeal, making it perfect for cruising. This Thunderbird offers a blend of performance, comfort, and classic American design, making it a desirable choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a well-maintained and ready-to-enjoy classic car. Number 7. 1963 Datsun 320L Pickup. Price: $8,500. Located in Branchville, New Jersey. This 1963 Datsun 320L pickup is a rare and solid example of an early Japanese compact truck. It features a manual transmission and has undergone a detailed engine rebuild. The truck is rust-free with a strong frame, making it a great candidate for preservation or modification. While the engine currently cranks but lacks spark, work is ongoing to restore full functionality. The red exterior and interior give it a bold classic appearance. With its originality and solid condition, this Datsun is an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts interested in vintage import trucks. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Price: $6,545. Located in Brooklyn, New York. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu is a well-loved classic that has been carefully maintained over the years. It features an automatic transmission and has approximately 75,950 miles. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it offers a sleek and timeless appearance. The car runs and drives perfectly according to the owner, making it a reliable classic for regular use. This one-owner vehicle has no significant issues and is being sold due to personal reasons. It presents a great opportunity for buyers looking for a clean and functional muscle-era car with strong presence and smooth performance. Number 9. 1976 Ford F-150. Price: $2,000. Located in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. This 1976 Ford F-150 is a classic project truck powered by a 300 inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. It has approximately 17,171 miles listed and comes with a clean title. The truck does not currently run and will require restoration work, making it ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on projects. Finished in tan with a matching interior, it retains a vintage work truck appearance. With its solid base and simple mechanical design, this F-150 offers a great opportunity to build a customized classic truck or restore it to its original condition. Number 10. 1975 Oldsmobile. Price: $5,000. Located in Perry, New York. This 1975 Oldsmobile is a solid classic project car with strong mechanical potential. It has 90,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The vehicle has been sitting for several years and will require a new motor, although the original 350 short block is included. It is equipped with a turbo 350 transmission built for performance and a durable rear axle setup. The frame and floors are solid, while some exterior areas show previous repairs. This car provides a strong foundation for restoration or performance build, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts looking for a classic American project. Number 11. 1963 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D. Price: $8,850. Located in Farmington Hills, Michigan. This 1963 Buick Riviera Coupe is a stylish luxury classic known for its distinctive design and smooth performance. It features an automatic transmission and has approximately 83,000 miles. The car runs and drives well, with several new components including a radiator and carburetor. The burgundy exterior remains presentable, while the interior offers a comfortable vintage feel. Some floor work is needed, but the car is usable as it is. This Riviera is a great option for someone who wants a classic car they can enjoy while continuing restoration, combining elegance with practical drivability. Number 12. 1971 Buick Skylark Convertible. Price: $10,000. Located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This 1971 Buick Skylark Convertible is a classic American cruiser with solid restoration progress already completed. It features a 350 engine and automatic transmission, both in good condition but requiring minor tuning. The body is rust-free with newly replaced floors and updated upholstery. The vehicle still needs a convertible top and hydraulic system installation. Finished in primer with a black interior, it is ready for final customization. This Skylark is a great project for someone looking to complete a nearly finished restoration and create a personalized classic convertible with strong mechanical foundations. Number 13. 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix. Price: $6,500. Located in Du Bois, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix is a classic personal luxury coupe known for its bold styling and comfortable ride. It features an automatic transmission and presents as a solid vehicle with no significant reported issues. The brown exterior reflects the distinctive look of early 70s American design. While mileage is listed very high, the vehicle remains an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a unique and affordable classic. Its long body lines and spacious interior make it ideal for cruising. This Grand Prix offers a blend of vintage style and practicality for collectors or casual classic car fans. Number 14. 1949 Dodge Coronet. Price: $7,500. Located in Norristown, Pennsylvania. This 1949 Dodge Coronet represents the first year of this iconic model, making it historically significant among classic car enthusiasts. It features a manual transmission and has only 46,200 original miles. The car is a true survivor, remaining unmodified and well-preserved over the years. It runs and drives as a turnkey vehicle and has always been garage-kept. The black exterior gives it a timeless and elegant appearance. This Coronet is an excellent opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, ideal for collectors seeking originality and authenticity in a post-war American classic. Number 15. 1978 Fiat Spider. Price: $4,500. Located in Bel Air, Maryland. This 1978 Fiat Spider is a classic Italian convertible offering a fun and engaging driving experience. It features a manual transmission and has 116,200 miles. The car runs and drives well, with several recent upgrades including brakes, fuel system components, and suspension parts. The exterior retains its original paint with some wear, while the interior shows signs of age. The convertible top is in good condition. This vehicle is ready to be enjoyed as is or further restored. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable European classic with character and open-air appeal. Number 16. 1981 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Price: $7,500. Located in York, Pennsylvania. This 1981 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is a well-preserved classic with original paint and a garage-kept history. It features an automatic transmission and a V6 engine, along with desirable options such as air conditioning, cruise control, and power steering. The car has 96,282 miles and remains in solid condition. The white exterior paired with a tan interior creates a classic look. Additional features include a rear spoiler and vintage audio system. This Firebird is a great example of early 80s American performance styling, offering both comfort and nostalgic appeal for collectors and enthusiasts. Number 17. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Sedan 4D. Price: $4,500. Located in Newark, New Jersey. This 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S is a classic sedan that runs and drives well, making it suitable for daily use. It features an automatic transmission and has approximately 102,572 miles. The green exterior highlights its vintage appeal, while the car maintains solid overall condition. Although not in perfect shape, it remains a reliable and functional classic vehicle. This Cutlass is ideal for buyers seeking an affordable entry into classic car ownership with a practical four-door design. It offers a balance between usability and nostalgic charm from the golden era of American automobiles. Number 18. 1974 Mercedes-Benz 300D Sedan 4D. Price: $1,500. Located in Taylorsville, California. This 1974 Mercedes-Benz 300D is a durable diesel-powered classic known for its longevity and solid engineering. It features an automatic transmission and has approximately 12,345 miles listed. The car runs and drives, though it has minor cosmetic imperfections such as dents on the hood. The white exterior and brown interior provide a classic European look. Additional features include a modern audio setup with Bluetooth capability. This vehicle is a great budget-friendly option for enthusiasts interested in vintage Mercedes models with strong mechanical reliability and potential for further improvement. Number 19. 1972 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Price: $1,500. Located in Los Lunas, New Mexico. This 1972 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a large classic cruiser powered by a 429 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle runs but requires some mechanical work, including attention to the radiator and carburetor tuning. It can run long enough to be moved or loaded onto a trailer. The green exterior reflects its era, offering a bold vintage presence. This Thunderbird is a suitable project for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic luxury coupe with strong engine potential and distinctive styling from the early 70s automotive design period. Number 20. 1983 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL Convertible. Price: $9,000. Located in Southington, Connecticut. This 1983 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL Convertible is a refined classic roadster ideal for weekend driving. It features an automatic transmission and has approximately 126,000 miles. The car runs and drives as expected, offering a smooth and comfortable experience. The blue exterior combined with a gray interior gives it a sophisticated appearance. Minor cosmetic imperfections are present, including small scratches and a cracked dashboard from sun exposure. This vehicle remains a great choice for those seeking a stylish and enjoyable classic convertible with timeless European design and reliable performance.